In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move rows and columns in Google Sheets the fastest way. Whether you're organizing data for a project or tidying up a spreadsheet, knowing how to quickly rearrange your rows and columns can save you a significant amount of time. So, let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Google Sheets document. If you haven't already, navigate to your spreadsheet and locate the specific rows or columns you want to move. Now, let's concentrate on selecting them. If you want to move a specific row, simply look to the left side of your spreadsheet where you'll see the row numbers. Click on the number of the row you wish to move, and you'll notice it becomes highlighted. For selecting multiple rows, click on the first row number, then hold down the Shift key and click on the last row number in your selection. All the included rows will be highlighted, indicating they are ready to be moved. Similarly, if you are focusing on columns, cast your eyes to the top of the sheet where the column letters are displayed. Click on the letter of the column you wish to move, which will again highlight the column. If multiple columns are what you're after, click on the first column letter, hold Shift, and click on the last letter of your desired selection. Voila! All those columns are prepared for movement. With your selection in place, it's time to move them. Here's where the magic of Google Sheets shines in its simplicity. Once the rows or columns are highlighted, bring your cursor to hover over the highlighted area. You'll see a small hand icon appear, indicating that you can now drag the selection. Click and hold the primary mouse button or touchpad, keeping it pressed down as you proceed to drag your selection to its new location. As you move your cursor, you'll see a shadow or ghost of the selected rows or columns moving along with your pointer. Carefully guide this shadow to the precise spot where you wish to relocate your data. Once you're confident that you're in the right position, release the mouse button and, like magic, your rows or columns will drop into their new position. And just like that, you've successfully moved your data with ease. This straightforward method allows you to rearrange your information efficiently without the need for cumbersome copying and pasting. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to try this method out on any spreadsheet. Furthermore, be mindful of any possible changes in your data alignment or references if your sheet employs complex functions. So there you have it, a quick and easy method to move rows and columns in Google Sheets, saving time and reducing hassle. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.